This is me literally sitting on a bike, no helmet, no jacket, just chilling. I thought, hey, what if I show this picture to my parents to tell them I am thinking of buying this bike? But wait, I am not wearing any safety gear. My mom and dad would freak out. So what can I do? Let me talk to AI. So I spoke with AI to add a riding jacket to this image. And bam, there we go. Perfect. Problem solved. Now I can show this picture to my parents without thinking about anything negative. But now my legs, still those comfy sandals? Probably not the best choice for a long ride. Cool, let's get riding boots. Much better. Feeling ready to go for a road now. Alright, now I think I am prepared to drive this bike. But what if I could invite Mr. CEO of Aprilia? If he can, give me a little bit of inspiration of driving this little Tuono. And boom, picture with Big Boss, CEO of Aprilia Racing. But wait, why stops there? How about adding Donald Trump? So I asked AI to replace Mr. CEO with Donald Trump. And there we go, with Mr. Trump. And not only I am with Mr. Trump, but I also have upgraded my bike from Aprilia 457 to Aprilia V4 factory. So did you saw the dramatic difference that was created from the original picture? And the potential doesn't end here. For example, here in this case, I am wearing this t-shirt and I really wanted to change it with something that looked more professional, more cool. Then in just one prompt, we changed the t-shirt. Hey there everyone, my name is Preetham and you are watching Technoholic. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can achieve this level of consistency in generating images. So let me show you how. For that, let me quickly open internet browser here. And now I'm going to open Gemini. So quickly open Gemini and here we go. After opening Gemini, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to add my picture, which is the following. And now I will go here in tools and then we'll select this option, which is create image. Now this was the original image where I am sitting on a bike. So here I think it would be quite risky if I drive bike without any gears. So I'm gonna say to AI that I want to wear the riding gears. So let me ask here AI, change the clothes with riding gears and jacket. Okay, now let's hit enter and let's see what it come up with. So this is the original picture. And there we go. So here we can see they have the riding gear is now being added and seems like I missed the boot. So I'm gonna now ask add riding boot as well. And there we go. Finally here you can see the sandals are now being replaced with riding boots. And really what a transformation from this picture, which was very casual, and to this one. I mean, this one looks really awesome. Now let me invite the owner or CEO of Aprilia, which is this guy, Massimo Rivola. So I'm gonna say, probably I'm gonna download this picture of him. And then I'm gonna say add picture of Massimo Rivola, who is Aprilia Racing CEO, keeping hand on my. I really want to see what it come up with. And I am super excited. Probably I should change the bike now, right? Okay, finally, this guy is also being added. And I actually wanted the picture on my shoulder, but it's all right. Now let me change this bike. I'm gonna say change the bike with Aprilia V4 factory. Okay, so let's see. if we can successfully change the bike. And there we go. Yep, we successfully were able to change the bike. And this really looks nice. So overall, I am very impressed with the kind of thing that you can do with this image generation model. Now let me take another example here. Maybe I'm gonna say replace the new person added in picture with Donald Trump. And I'm very excited to see if that's possible. And there we go. Finally, I have a picture with Donald Trump. That looks really nice. Now let's talk about one more use case scenario where you want to try some clothes, okay? So I'm gonna go here in Myntra, and then probably I'm gonna try some of my favorite t-shirts. So let me quickly go here and choose some of my favorite. Generally I prefer the plain and not like having too much printed. Okay, so this one looks good. Yeah, I can try this one. So I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna take snipping shot of it from here to here. Okay, and now I'm gonna probably click on save and then save it in my desktop. Now the next thing here, let me do is I'm gonna add another picture of mine, and for that I'm gonna do fresh restart, and this time I'm gonna take one of my picture of night which looks like this. Okay, now again I'm gonna say change the dress of the person by provided shirt. Okay, now let me also add another cloth here, which is this one that we just took screenshot of, and now let's see the result. And there we go. So although I would say the result doesn't look that good, maybe because of the lightning and all, so in this particular scenario it does not acted or behave the way I wanted. Let me try with another one. Maybe this time I'm gonna take the picture which is more straightforward, and now let's again try. So again I'm gonna upload the image of the t-shirt, and then I'm gonna say change the shirt of the person. Okay, so this one is, I would say, more easier, and let's see if it really can do that. And then here the AI completely understand what I want, and finally here you can see it have made the change, which looks quite nice, I would say, as this was the starting pick and now this is our final pick. So in this way guys, you can also try clothes without ordering them. I mean, you can have a look how you're going to look on those clothes. In a way, I would say these companies should utilize this capability of AI. So that's all guys from my side in this video. I hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Technoholic to see more such tutorial related to productivity, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.